Time for some Thursday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Kyler Mulheron, turning 7. Happy birthday, Kyler.
All right, and Chris Ferguson is celebrating Sweet 16. Hope it's a wonderful 16th birthday for you, Chris, in Moran, Kansas.
And down in Commerce, we've got Breely Tompkins celebrating number 17. Happy birthday.
Eleanora Ram is 17 as well. Happy birthday to Eleanora.
And Jeff Spillman celebrating number 18 in Moran. Happy birthday, Jeff.
Out in Sheldon, Missouri, Sarah Hancock turns 38 years old. Looking great there, Sarah.
And down south in Seneca, Matt Miller celebrating birthday number 41. It says happy birthday from Maddie, Emma, Chief, and Mom.
All right. Amy Shoemaker celebrating birthday number 44 this year in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, all the kids at the Shoemaker Daycare.
And we've also got Clyde Pickle celebrating number 46 in Knoll with lots of love from the family.
Dana Dawn celebrating birthday number 57 this year. Dana is in Iola, Kansas.
And over in Jasper, we've got Sheila Harris celebrating number 66. Happy birthday.
Carl Thornton is turning another year wiser. 68 this year for Carl in Thayer, Kansas.
And Debbie Schoenhofer celebrating number 72 in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Debbie.
And Eunice Shrimplin is double 8, celebrating birthday number 88 this year in Chanute.
And Willa Dean Beaver celebrating 101 in Girard. I believe Willa is the young lady on the right.
Oh, yeah?
I would think so.
101.
Hey, Willa, you're looking great for 101.
Do you know your left and rights? Okay. No, she does look good for 101.
She's looking
though.
great,
Very
and
impressive.
I love the shirt, too. I just noticed that shirt. Excellent shirt.
I love
Happy
it.
birthday, Willa.
Yeah. All right, and our list goes on with Tim Smith in St. Paul. Happy birthday to you, Tim.
All right. Do you see how much fun we have celebrating these birthdays? Wouldn't you like to celebrate with us? You can. And Tanya Bach knows how you do it.
All you have to do is send us a birthday with your picture, the age, the date of the birthday. Please don't forget that. And the hometown, and if you have a special message, you can include that as well. And send it to our email, don't forget the S, at birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
Absolutely. And you know something else you can do at our website? It's sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today. All right,